Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how you can create a username and password before accessing the form. Some forms are important not to be exposed publicly to others. You can easily restrict this with the credentials to log in and fill out the form. I will create this action in the Form 2, which I have designed in the previous video. Under the action type, find the username and login, then click it. In the action properties, select Enable this action. Next, you need to add emails that will have access to the form. Clicking Generate button will automatically generate unique password, and the last you need to click Save button. I will copy the email and password in the notepad for this example. Those two users will have access to the form. Next, you need to refresh the page. Make sure that the required action type is on. Next, go to Generated Code and copy the script and form. In the Google Sheets, go to Extensions, then open the app script. Paste the script in form and save it. Next, make a new web app deployment. Here you will notice a login form that appears in the first instance. If you add wrong email or password, it will not let you log in. Adding the correct email or password, you can access the form.